Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to track and confirm your Taobao package has been successfully delivered to your shipping company warehouse address in China. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Taobao. The next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. Then go ahead and click on here to check all the products on transit. So at the time of making this video, these are products on transit right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see all the products you have on transit. However, this depends on the number of products you place order for in Taobao. Now, for you to be sure if any product has been successfully received or delivered to your warehouse address in China, first thing first, you are going to have something like this, So some of the band icon will turn to something like this, okay? And this product here is still on transit. Now, for you to know if your shipping company actually received the goods, because not every goods delivered was actually received by some of the freight forwarder, what you want to do first thing first is to make sure you click on here. So once you click on that, then the next thing you want to do is to drag down this way. Then you have this, which simply means that the order has been successfully received by your shipping company. However, you need to communicate with your shipping company with your tracking number. What you need to do is to click on here and copy the tracking number. So once you copy the tracking number, you can now use this tracking number to communicate with your freight forwarder. I have already done that already in order to make this video short. So I will go ahead and show you everything from my WhatsApp right here. So I have my freight forwarder on my WhatsApp right here, which I'm going to. So this is the shipping company I'm using right now for my Taobao order. So next thing I'm going to do is to open up our chart. So you see all the tracking number that was submitted. So just like what you see right here. So these are all the tracking number that was submitted to my shipping company right here. And they asked for my shipping ID and I gave it to them. And this is what they received so far as at the time of communicating with them. Just like what you see right here. So you can see my name and my code and the tracking number they have received so far. And I told them that more is coming. So I'm going to go ahead now and say, good day. Please, do you received more package yet? However, in some cases, some of the shipping company, they have app or website that you can use to track some of the goods they receive on your behalf. So this particular shipping company also has a website whereby I will just go ahead and check on all my profile on the website and see that those and find out some of the tracking number that was being received by them. So I will go ahead and come to the top right here, my previous chart with the shipping company. Okay, so this is the link to their website right here. I will click on it straight up and it will take me to their website. To get into their site, I will need to click on member return. Then I will simply need to click on here to log into my account. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to enter my username and password. Then I have successful login. I'll click on check profile right here. Here we go. Now, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here, check on all the product they have received. So you can see 23 right here. Now, take a look at it right here. These are all the products they have received so far. So if you check everything right here, the tracking number right here that has been received must be correspond with what you have in your Taobao Chinese shopping app. So just like so. So far, they have received they have received 23 tracking numbers. So I can simply click on here and check the detail. So you can see the detail right here. There's also here transport warehouse. So you can see the tracking number right here. You can see the tracking number. Now, if you want to return a goods back to the supplier, you can easily click on return right here. Once you click on return, the shipping company will prepare everything and return it back to the supplier. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import and ship products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.